Hey, weekend filler.
We're from Northeast High School, home of the Vikings.
Today we took the seniors out to get a real live behind the scenes look of broadcasting, the overall studio, the lights, the experience.
You're going to be expected to do a lot of different jobs. Even if you just want to be an on-air anchor, you're still going to be asked to do some of the writing, some of the camera.
They interviewed members of the PHL 17 staff just to give them that experience of what it's like to actually conduct interviews and to do it in the environment with actual professionals who actually work in television.